Alright, today we got the Blink Video Doorbell, and this is a set that comes with the sync module too. So this will be unboxing. On the front here we got a couple of the features. This, it can be battery powered or can be wired in. Just like all the cameras, it can be day or night HD, two-way audio, UV alerts if you want, and it's got a 2-year battery life. Alright, over here on the side, we got some marketing. On the back, we got some more marketing. And on the side, we got what the front already told us, but it tells us what also is in the box. We get the doorbell, we get the sync module, we get batteries, a corner mount, screws for mounting it, USB cable and power adapter, case opening tool to open the doorbell, and 2 wire extenders in case those are needed. Right, and on the bottom we got our tech specs. Now, unlike the Blink Mini 2 and the Blink Outdoor 4, which had plastic that you had to cut through, this one comes with pull tabs, so let's see how easy that is to pull. Alright, that one's easy. And it's got one more on the other side. Alright, that's pretty easy too. And the top will just lift right off. Get these tabs out of the way. Alright, the top will lift right off into the camera. Alright, put the top up here. Alright, the doorbell is telling me to open it on this side. Folds open. Just like the other cameras, it comes with setup instructions. It comes with, well, I'm not sure this is supposed to be flopping around like that, but it is. It comes with instructions how to mount. Let's just get this guy off. Alright, so what do we got in here? We got the camera itself. We have the mount. We have the charger. There's a lot of empty space in that box. Here's the charger. We have the sync module. And we got the power cable. Below the doorbell. This way. The screws they promised. Well, 2 of the screws anyways. That's what it looks like looking in there. More screws. Angled mount, or if you need to mount it out at an angle. Batteries and the wire extenders. And here's the key and the template for mounting. Alright, oh, the instructions fell out. Alright guys, thanks for watching.